Oscilloscope DSTouch new product DS4T252 is grandly launched. The 250 to entry-level oscilloscope utilizes FPGA plus DRAM hardware with 2 megapts storage, dual channels, 50 MHz bandwidth, and 200 megasample-second sampling rate. It offers high refresh rate, smooth real-time waveform processing, 1 millivolt ED resolution, and low background noise for measuring weak signals. Now you can inquire and purchase through the official website, and the discounted price is only $99. Here is a detailed introduction from several aspects. The vertical system accuracy of an oscilloscope determines the usability of measurement results and is a key indicator of its quality. Most portable oscilloscopes have a vertical resolution above 10 millivolts ADIV, while the 250 model features high-precision vertical resolution down to 1 millivolt ADIV. For noise performance, we compare the 252 with a 12-bit ADC oscilloscope and an 8-bit ADC oscilloscope, demonstrating measured noise data under both full bandwidth and limited 20 MHz bandwidth. A common application for oscilloscopes is measuring power supply ripples. The 252's high-precision vertical system can clearly measure ripples at the millivolt level, consistent with the results from the 12-bit oscilloscope. The hardware waveform engine's core goes beyond using FPGA chips. It also integrates with DRAM for ultra-large storage depth and real-time processing of massive waveform data. Compared to low-end MCU oscilloscopes with storage depths of tens to a couple of hundred kilopts, which often experience stuttering or frame drops with complex waveforms, the 252 delivers a smooth experience even when processing significantly larger data volumes. Additionally, its large storage depth ensures a high sampling rate can be maintained during long-duration acquisitions. For instance, when acquiring 1 second of serial data at a baud rate of 115 to 00, an oscilloscope with a 128,000 depth can only achieve a sampling rate of around 100 kilopoints, preventing accurate signal capture. In contrast, the 252 captures and amplifies waveform details flawlessly. Additionally, its waveform engine supports hardware triggering, including trigger hold-off time, provides support for waveform measurement in more practical scenarios. Based on a hardware waveform engine, the 252 not only supports stable capture of complex waveforms, but also provides real-time analysis, including decoding and FFT spectrum analysis. It currently supports decoders for 3 protocols: UART, I2C, and SPI. For example, when analyzing UART signals, you first set up the UART decoder. Once data collection is complete, it automatically decodes the header. When you move or zoom in and out of the waveform, the current window's signal decoding results are updated in real time. Additionally, the 252 offers FFT spectrum analysis to examine the frequency characteristics of the input signal. To help you better understand the frequency characteristics of the signal, users can set FFT parameters to specify the center frequency and frequency range, allowing direct observation of the maximum frequency components, frequency resolution, or manual measurement of specific frequency components using cursors. DSTouch is a series of compact and portable oscilloscopes. However, compact size alone isn't enough. We understand your expectations for intuitive and user-friendly equipment. We've dedicated substantial R&D resources to optimize the user experience. The 252 can be charged via a USB port on a computer, adapter, or power bank, and it supports sleep mode when inactive, with a long-lasting battery life of up to 7 hours on a full charge. It can also be connected directly to a power source for continuous operation. The device powers on in just 1 second. No waiting required. A long press and slide to shut down prevents accidental interruptions during work. Capturing stable waveforms requires just 1 step. Quick adjustments for the horizontal system available in 3 ways. To quick methods for adjusting the vertical system. Easily adjust vertical offset and horizontal position. Allows for one-handed operations while the other hand can perform different tasks. Automatically measures 20 parameters and displays 8 measurement values simultaneously, with a single step to add and switch parameters. The 252 also features a comprehensive set of functions, supports an operating interface in both Chinese and English. Waveform acquisition supports both real-time and single-shot modes. The trigger conditions allow for adjustable sensitivity and hold-off time, effectively mitigating the impact of glitches and transient signals. It uses a standard BNC interface for stable and reliable connections. Cursor measurements can be used to determine the time and voltage between cursors on the specified channel. The XY mode can generate Lysage's figures and analyze the phase relationship between two channel signals. The persistence mode can monitor sporadic abnormal signals and observe signal jitter. Waveform correction can be performed when environmental factors change. The built-in signal generator outputs various waveforms via the MCX interface with adjustable frequency and amplitude settings. It supports personalized configurations, allowing users to save and load settings through the file system. You can also capture measurement results as screenshots and share them with colleagues via USB functionality. Firmware updates are supported to enable continuous iteration of new features in the DSTouch system. Introducing the DS4T-to-5 portable oscilloscope, independently developed by Lab. This device offers a professional measurement experience that sets it apart from oscilloscopes on the market that utilize MCU-based waveform processing. Priced competitively at just $99, we invite you to explore our official channels for inquiries and purchases.